Hello everyone, I'm teacher Suna from China. I help learners study Chinese systematically using HSK textbooks. I've got 10 years in the pharmaceutical industry and 1 year working as an international nurse. I totally get adults' needs, limited time, and practicality. So my teaching content will be tied to real-life situations. If you need Chinese for work or medical situations, I can also offer targeted lessons to fix your real communication problems. This year, I got TSOL certificate, learned different teaching methods, and I have an L6 plus BC Vantage level, which enables me to explain Chinese to you clearly. My classes are relaxed. I will adjust the teaching content and speed based on your condition. I look forward to seeing you in my class.
大家好，我是舒楠老师，来自中国，目前主要围绕 HSK 教材帮大家系统学中文。我有10年的医药行业和1年国际护士工作经验，特别懂成年人时间紧求实用的学习需求。若你有职场或就医场景汉语需求，我也能针对性教学，帮您解决实际沟通问题。今年我拿到了 TSOL 教学证书，掌握多种教学方法，且雅思6分，商务英语中级，能帮您精准理解中文。我的课堂轻松愉快，我会用最简单的方式，根据你的节奏调整教学内容和方法，保证你听得懂，学得会。我很有耐心，不会让你有压力。我在这里等你，我们一起把中文学明白，用起来。